was told the pussy charge 12.5. 25. One of these I'll be done with. I might be
No way. She got a little mukbang.
You're over here, Bob.
Shut up!
Oh, my sister into that. My sister into that. She need to be over there.
Nah, you didn't ask me.
Yeah, you want to switch seats?
Are you trying to do mukbang?
I don't want to be in it either.
Alright.
Look at me. I'm like that. Do a part.
I be like, y'all shit with whatever.
Y'all don't like white people.
What y'all doing?
Yeah. Y'all should have been in the car with us.
We can separate next time. We're gonna get up to the
I fell asleep.
When we got right over here, she said, I'm asleep. Let's get back on sleep. I got this.
We started without you. Guess who else like Fireballs?
Who?
Mandy.
Oh, you
I didn't know she liked Fireballs.
Yeah, cuz we got on the face. Hey, baby, don't cuz. Say hey. Say hey.
Let's go.
April, say hey. You too.
Why you gonna get up first?
Right toe. Right toe. Right. Not block range.
Keep on.
Oh, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah.
Hey. They got a choo-choo train at the train. Keep on going. Oh, okay. Wait, yo, it's over. We should have did a video. I think such and such is going to throw up.
Time I gave you my all, so baby be mine. I'm always there when you call, and I'm always on time. It's gonna be hot.
I mean, I'll be going somewhere then.
I don't remember, but I
ain't going nowhere.
It's about like so.
I ain't gonna put no makeup on, just take it right back out.
Basically, it's best friends. One of them died. The other girl was like,
I am gonna stress.
You get on the helicopter with me?
something Monday.
Yeah. I probably ain't even.
They so scary.
I ain't even gonna straighten this hair. I'm just gonna put this shit.
She got one of them.
It's raining now. I'm just gonna be wasting my time doing all that.
It seems like a real good book. I'm gonna actually read it when she get done with it. I bought it for her. Scenario.
Okay.
But it's kind of like a Pretty Little Liars type. Oh yeah. But different. But take out the stalkery. Yeah. Stuff, I guess you could say. She was excited about that book. Really? She couldn't wait to get it. Yeah, I mean, it's like $15. And the one she wanted, they had it in the library to buy. But she said, oh, it's cheaper on Amazon. I was like, well, it don't matter. Was it what? Was it down with Monday? I don't remember. It's something
That
Monday.
sounds familiar though.
It's something Monday, I think.
What we doing?
Shopping. She's showing out. She's showing out real bad now.
Mukbang!
Popeyes.
Mukbang in Tennessee.
And where?
Tennessee. Popeyes mukbang. Oh, I thought my mashed potatoes weren't in there.
I'm about to. I would love to go back.
We was about to fight.
Look at this big old sandwich. It's big. Oh, it's big. It's big. That's gonna be mostly fresh.
I don't know, I got a little chicken.
You like it?
I got a little chicken that time. I thought it was gonna be that first bite was gonna be fresh.
I remember when everybody was trying to get that chicken sandwich. Why was
This
why
was my
would
first time
Does
trying.
anybody
why
want
was people
this?
wanting to get it so bad? No,
Uh-uh.
I do.
Y'all know y'all want the card.
I kind of do.
She said I do.
No.
Shh, we on video. Nah.
You want a biscuit?
Mm.
Well, I don't know. I might save it for later.
Alright, we gonna eat because I'm hungry. I put my spoon in the bag.
This tastes like sugar water.
Trying to eat.
What they make building over there?
Ooh, I'm making it.
Just about dropped that. Just about. Look how they threw the fries in the bag. You would, if I didn't know any better, I would think this is McDonald's. That's how McDonald's is. They just throw your stuff in the bag.
I just had to show the makeup because, honey, it is giving, but I'm gonna get ready and I will see y'all then.
It's a couple. It's a couple of them, y'all. That's a restaurant. I really wanted to do that too, the Titanic. I wanted to see if I lived or died.
Where?
Right here. At the end, they give you a ticket and they tell you if you live or die. And it's a restaurant too. You can eat inside, I think.
That's neat.
Very. Look, there go the snow park.
I just realized when you said he only charged you for that drink.
Yeah.
That's why he kept looking at them tickets so
The video.
I wonder what kind of cookies they got in there.
Cause you on video, say hey.
Alright, we're gonna have to get somebody else. Because you can't even see our shirts. They blurry.
That's neat. I would like to do that. Go up there and sit and watch everybody down here. That looks nice. I know, that's why I have free cake. I bet that's good. Cupcake. Okay, if I get some, I have to come back and get some.
Yeah, I was gonna come out later.
Then I can just take all my goodies back to the car. Okay. On to our journey, guys.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Have a great day. Thank you.
It's okay, I'm scared too.
Switch spots.
We're gonna get us a stiff drink.
No, we only could do 4 because we gotta have 2 people.
That's why Erica driving back because I'm getting me some.
Nuh-uh, you driving.
She needs.
I just need to block the sunlight.
You're fine.
Sorry.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. Is she coming?
No, we're cold. Yeah, and one I just
Firefly Village. Filled with quaint retail shops, dining options, and access to attractive. Get ready to discover the magic in the mountains.
He is right behind me. Oh, that look like fun. Look at him. Oh, he jumped up there.
sliced cheese.
Let's go,